And we can tell the world that we don't want only to talk about the ending of conflict in the Ukraine. We want conflict ended in Tigray. We want conflict ended in Syria. We want conflict ended wherever it raises its head in the world. We want also conflict ended when it appears to be under the guise of criminality, like it is in Haiti. We want you, my friends, the children of this world, to hold us, the governments, accountable, and to recognize that we do have choice, and leaders can make decisions, and leaders are not constrained in the decisions that we make, and that everything does not depend on financing, although it is absolutely critical. And we will fight for financing, as I will speak later this week about, for the reform of the international financial architecture. But even without that, there are things that you and I can do. We ask you, the children of this world, to hold our feet to the fire and make this world a better place to live in. Thank you.
Since our last session, the world has become more dangerous and more uncertain under the combined grip of global warming, security and health perils, and the war in Ukraine. The theme of this session reflects the urgent need to act together to ease tensions, to heal our planet, reduce persistent north-south inequalities, and reinstate the importance of multilateralism. Over and above the current emergencies, I have come to convey the message of a continent determined to work with all of its partners in a relational ethic of a dialogue of confidence and trust and mutual respect. I have come to say that Africa has suffered enough of the burden of history, that it does not want to be the place of a new Cold War, but rather a pole of stability and opportunity open to all of its partners on a mutually beneficial basis. It is by working together, respecting our differences, that we will restore the strength and vitality of the United Nations raison d'etre, which is to save present and future generations from the scourge of war, to advance the peaceful coexistence of peoples, and to foster progress by creating better living conditions for all.
¿Qué es más venenoso para el ser humano? ¿La cocaína o el carbón o el petróleo? El dictamen del poder ha ordenado que la cocaína es el veneno y debe ser perseguida. Así ella solo cause mínimas muertes por sobredosis y más por las mezclas que provoca su clandestinidad dictaminada. Pero en cambio el carbón y el petróleo deben ser protegidos. Así su uso pueda extinguir a toda la humanidad. Estas son las cosas del poder mundial, cosas de la injusticia, cosas de la irracionalidad, porque el poder mundial se ha vuelto irracional. Ven en la exuberancia de la selva, en su vitalidad, lo lujurioso, lo pecaminoso, el origen culpable de la tristeza de sus sociedades, imbuidas en la profunda compulsión ilimitada de tener y de consumir. ¿Cómo ocultar la soledad del corazón en su sequedad en medio de sociedades sin afectos, competitivas hasta encarcelar el alma en la soledad, si no es echando la culpa a la planta, al hombre que la cultiva, a los secretos libertarios de la selva? Según el poder irracional del mundo, la culpa no es del mercado que recorta la existencia. La culpa es de la selva y de quienes la habitan.